Hi, I'm Elizabeth. If you have knots and tangles, slow hair growth, breakage, then you want to pre-poo. My today's wash day began with a pre-poo, and this is how I do it. Pre-poo is preparing your hair before shampoo. I don't pre-poo every wash, but today I have so many tangles. I get tangles when I don't use any cream or leave-in to style my hair. I'm using the Cachos Brazil High Porosity Hair and Scalp Elixir. And you notice that I just took two pumps for one side of my hair. This is how I detangle. I love that this elixir is a detangler, frizz control, helps in stimulation, helps in hair growth, all in one. I love that this elixir is a little bit special compared to other oils because it's coconut free. Other than that, it has andiroba oil, which I think is very exotic, but it has faster hair growth and hair strengthening properties. It leaves hair extremely hydrated, soft, and amazingly bright. Do you notice how my hair looks instantly soft? It looks even shinier, and I find it easy to detangle my hair. I'm going to take a little bit more for the back portion of my hair. That's the most coarsest for me. Section hair into 2 to 4 parts. You can use clips so that you know which section you're working with. I just freehand this. Next, apply the oil to one section at a time. Carefully finger detangle or use your favorite brushes. I don't like to use brushes because my hair is prone to breakage. I prefer doing this with my fingers. And notice I make 2 strand twists on each of the small sections that I have detangled. I'm going to repeat now on the other side. And here's my hair. It doesn't have to be perfectly twisted because it is a pre-shampoo after all. So there are 2 options. One of them is you can make a quick hairstyle and nobody has to know that you're pre-pooing. Nobody's going to know. A simple hairstyle like this, or you can even braid your hair if you want to. And you can even go for workouts. Or second option is you shove everything in a plastic shower cap and keep it 20 minutes. While you wait, you can catch up on your reading. Just multitask while you mask. While we're waiting, I want to tell you that I found this gel at a petrol station nearby. It has mega hard hold and I styled my hair with this. So I washed out the pre-poo, I co-washed and I used this gel. Now my hair is in the last drying stages. So you can apply this oil on your dry hair on a regular day also. Apply a small amount from mid-length to ends. This helps to smooth and eliminate frizz, and it also helps to protect against environmental factors including the sun, the wind. My pro tip to you, use praying hands method when you're applying this oil on dry hair. Hope you found this useful. Let me know if you try it.